Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Verizon eSIM on iPhone 16, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your device connected quickly. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone 16 is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Step 2. Tap on Cellular or Mobile Data from the Settings menu. Then select Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM. Step 3. Your iPhone will display a QR code scanner. If you received a QR code from Verizon via email or text, scan it now with your camera. Step 4. Alternatively, if you're already a Verizon customer, select Use Carrier Cellular Plan and choose Verizon from the list. Your account will be detected automatically. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your plan details. Review the information and tap Add Cellular Plan to proceed. Step 6. Once activated, you can label your eSIM plan as primary, secondary, or give it a custom name for easy identification. Step 7. Configure your cellular settings by choosing which line to use for calls, messages, and data. You can set preferences for default lines. Step 8. Test your connection by making a call or browsing the internet to ensure your Verizon eSIM is working properly on your iPhone 16. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.